Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now this is incredibly unorthodox and my big reveal. Never heard my voice before. May have heard it accidentally in other videos, but so today I went to the Perth model show, as you may have seen. Got some new railway workers and 2 new locos, so today we're going to be unboxing one of them. I have tested them, made sure that they run okay. One of them has slight problems, which is why this one's getting unboxed first. So hopefully you enjoy the video. I'll hopefully be doing a bit of testing, see if they're like running it, and with some coaches. I also got 2 new coaches today, so yeah. Right, reveal. This is the train I got, the first one. A BR Blue Class 20, twit number 183. It is made by Lima Models, as you can see. You may also see it cost me £40. I do quite like the 20s. It's like, in my opinion, like the Whistling 37. The sound is pretty similar. I am really happy with the model. It was a great deal. I've checked the running and it seems okay. There was a slight issue, but I think I fixed it. The box, as you can see, is a little bit battered, but it's no biggie, no different problem. Right, let's have a look at it outside. As you can see, it's pretty detailed. The BR Blue livery has been highlighted incredibly. The grills are perfect. The cab has some it's okay detail. It's got that iconic reversing look. It has the perfect looking wheels. There was a rubber band or something on one of the front wheels. That was the problem, but I think I've got that off and I'm hoping that means it works fine. It seemed to run okay like loco, but with wagons it seemed to struggle a little, but no problem there. A nice fan on top. But really happy as a train. It's got the buffers and everything as well, so there is no problem with that at all. So now I'm going to go and give it a wee running session for you guys to see, so see you on the other side. Here at the layout now, and there's the 20, working pretty fine. Slight buffering at the points, I don't know what the problem was there, but it's a nippy little engine. It's got power, it can go quite fast. Slow down for the tones maybe. Little shot of it coming over at the points maybe. Nippy, maybe. Got the workers in high vis. Controls there, fast, flying around. It's a beautiful engine, chopper 80. Do love the choppers. I love the locals, light, small. I could get a second one maybe to do up to the running convoys most of the time. But also comment below please what you think of the new railway workers. Apologies for the blue stuff, I did it myself. Here now at an iconic green train bridge. Go again. Got some phones to the lovely passengers and the newspapers. But I will, when I'm starting to run off like local, make sure it's okay. I'll add some passenger wagons on next, and then maybe some freight, since it's probably well not most of freight. But nice to have a BR Blue, second BR Blue. I've got my 37 already. This is my second BR Blue train. Nice bit of variety. I used to think the BR Blue livery was called Beltix. I don't know why I don't ask what it's called, but great little addition to the fleet. It'll be great to have for freight services and variety. I do love the old diesels, so the 20 failed. Now I've got my EWS 66 number 200 pulling in because the 20 was just not working. It was wheel slipping with the freight wagons. Just a second ago, the 66 uncoupled from the 20 worked when I pull it, so I'm just going to try and film it a little bit just because I want you guys to see it pulling wagons. Let's just quickly try this look and then one more angle. Maybe try and get passengers something on it. Film it here with another line side worker. Watch the train go by. Here, track side as well. 20, struggling. No idea what's wrong with it. I'll have to get someone to figure that out. But maybe, I think it's an axle problem potentially. as you can see, or you couldn't see, but 20 genuinely just wheel slipping the entire time, didn't really move. I got eventually moving with 2 intercity coaches who then stopped with the brake, but still getting it running at least, so hopefully this might help having it dragged around a little bit. It might freshen it up, stretch the joints, eventually. Right, get some passenger on it and then I'll end the video. So I've got it running now, got the WS66 with the passenger wagons, but as you can see, normally I'd be running 3 LNER gold coaches. Now I've got 5. I got 2 more today, as I said earlier. I've got a sleeper coach now and another regular passenger one. I think these are Mark 1s, correct me if I'm wrong, sorry. The 20, it looks like a felt rail tour. Just, either it's not strong enough or something, but it's concerning because the coaches are pretty light and it's meant to be a powerful loco and somehow it's just not working. The 66, the big heavy shed, pulling the wheat chopper with the nice little coaches. It's a pretty cool sight, I have to admit, and Trainfc would die for this. Nice little station angle. Lovely shot, people watching it. Get some nice ones there, maybe Darth Vader, hopefully Bammer Cat. But I do love the 20, it's a really big shape and style. But comment below what you also think of the new coaches, the new sleeper. I do like this angle as well. Comment below what your favourite angle is too, because I think I want to get more feedback on the angles and how it's working. I have been looking to get some more buildings on my layout as well, so I was looking for something. Saw some, but I thought yeah, trains would be a bit more worth it. But as I say, there's been technical difficulties with my other train. I'm not going to say that it's trying to keep a secret, but I'll do my best to get it working. I might book it in somewhere. And then when that's done, I'll unbox that. I mean, obviously that sounds bad, I'm not sure about it, but I have to make sure it's good to run so I can, run it, and then it's not like, it's like, smooth. And as I say, I tried to test the 20 before the video started, and it didn't work, but I'll do one more angle and conclude the video. Right, we're gonna go for a bridge angle here. Iconic where I come from. There. Love that bend, it's perfect, it's so cool. It's high-speed trains you can see. Well, I think I'm going to have to wrap the video up, guys. May not be that long, but it's still a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing. Get to the 700 mark. Comment below what you think of the new purchases. I haven't told you what the new train is yet, the other one. But see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.